Hello, everybody. My name is Albert Corey from Corey Associates Tax Advisors. Today, we're going to talk about if an Uber Lyft driver, or even if you sell on Amazon, eBay, Shopify, we're going to show you some of the deductions you can take in your tax return. You must start putting your bills together now to make it so much easier when the time comes. Okay, on with the show. Let's get going here. Okay, Uber taxes. Let Uber and Lyft and any other self-employed business let the tax professionals at Corey Associates Accounting Advisors solve your IRS needs. This is presented by the IRS Increase My Bottom Line. Let them start giving a paycheck by Albert Corey, which is me, Senior Tax Advisor from Corey Associates Accounting Services. Uber and Lyft. These are your tax deduction worksheets. Have you ever wondered, by a show of hands, what are your tax deductibles and what are not with your home-based business or driving business? Did you know you can use your car as a tax deduction? Obviously, if you're an Uber, Lyft, Uber Eats, or anytime you drive your car for those drive-sharing businesses, driving your car is a tax deduction. But what you didn't know is every time you're driving around looking for pickups, every time, you go to different spots, that's all a tax deduction. Here's a good example of that. And I see this all the time in my accounting office. Let's say you live in one area and it's slow. Like in Miami, I'm going to give you the example. Brickell is a very party town and very party area. So you did Brickell during the lunchtime hours, and you did a lot of pickups back and forth. But then, at 6 o'clock, the airport gets busy. So you drive out to the airport without taking any clients on. Well, the drive to the airport is a tax deduction because it's the miles going. The rule from the IRS says it's like driving to work, meaning that every day you drive to work. So from your house to the first stop is like driving to work, and then from the last stop to your house back home is like going home. Here's how sometimes you can get around this. Stop at 7-Eleven and pick up something on the way home or a gas station so you can extend the miles longer. And you're supposed to put those miles on a log sheet, okay, so that you know how many miles you deducted. The next thing you can deduct is your cell phone bill. Did you know that 80% of your cell phone bill could be deducted? Yes, that's right. Obviously because you're on a ride-sharing service, that, your cell phone has to be on constantly. So you pretty much got to keep track of when you start working as a ride share. At that point, your cell phone is deductible because you got to use the data and people got to call you. So that could be a big deduction. A lot of my clients, it comes out to be about 70 to 75%. Another deduction that you're not going to see from some small people work out of their house if you try to do it on TurboTax. Did you know that up to 30% of your house can be deducted, such as if you have a cable bill, if you pay rent, if you pay electric, if you pay an alarm, natural gas, that's all deductible. If you have the internet, did you know that 80% of the internet could be deductible? Oh, and by the way, guys, if you please, when you're watching this video, please put the city that you are watching this from in the state and share this and give me some love. Okay, another thing you deduct is your apartment or your house. You can deduct up to 30% of the rent of your house. Remember, it's a home-based business, and you take the square footage of the area that you're working out of. That could be a deduction. That is a deduction for you that I've been using for my clients for years. Now, all these deductions get very important because you need to work on them now. Because the IRS is going to make Uber, Lyft, Uber Eats, anything, anytime you're working for yourself, you're going to get a 1099. In this case, the 1099, this is what the 1099 looks like from Uber. Lyft has the same one. If you did sales on eBay, PayPal's going to send you one. Amazon will send you one. They're all going to look like this. It's called a 1099K. If you have any questions, we are Corey & Associates Accounting Services. Since 1985, we've been assisting clients with all small businesses. Last year, we did about 400 Uber drivers and another 200 internet marketers. I myself is an internet marketer. That's why you're seeing me on Facebook and all these other good places. Our phone number is 305-823-9228. We have an office that's located at 1800 West 68th Street, Suite 134 in Hialeah, Florida, 33018. We're open during the tax season. We're open 7 days a week. You can call me now, and if you go to birsrefund.com and schedule a free consultation, if you could please like or share and follow us on Facebook. The page that this is on is Corey & Associates Accounting Services. Please love and like this, and if any questions, please give us a call. Thank you.